Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have kind of an unboxing for you. I just wanted to give a bit of a shout out to Diamond Grandma. She is running an event in February which is Show Us Your Flag. So I was originally thinking, oh no, I'm not going to be able to take part, I don't have anything, but I reached out to Diamond Grandma and she said it's just something that represents where you're from. Doesn't specifically have to be your flag. A lot of people are doing flags, doesn't have to be. And so I thought I had the perfect canvas. So this is a light up crystal canvas. It was super cheap. I believe it came from Home Bargains. If it wasn't Home Bargains, it was B&M, but it was a little while ago. It is just a kind of a partial, but it is already on a board. It's already stretched canvas. It's poured glue, round drill, and let me see if I can get this to show up for you. Bear with me while I turn my little light off, and you might be able to see that this one has got some sparkles. So you can see the crescent moon lights up. We've got twinkly stars in the sky, and then also the pods on the London Eye in the background also light up. So I thought this was so much fun, and being from the UK was a pretty good, turn that off, pretty good representation of where I'm from. And so this is going to be my February entry into Diamond Grandma's event, Show Us Your Flag. As I say, it is poured glue. It's a pretty clear canvas. I don't think it'll take too long. I have already kitted up, and oh, there you go. You can see a picture on the box of what it'll look like when it's finished. Yeah, and I have already kit up the drills into here. It came with a little inventory strip which I ran through my trusty Xyron sticker maker, turned it into stickers, and then yeah, they're not the best quality of drills in terms of their sparkle, but I think they'll be absolutely fine for this purpose. Interestingly, this canvas comes from Hinkler, which is the same company that produced the paint by numbers that I recently did. So yeah, so if you want to look up any of their info, it is on the back of the box. They're curiousuniverse.co.uk. They seem to be a UK company. Yeah, so and it says that the art came from Shutterstock, the original art. So yeah, that was really all I wanted to show you. It did come with, you know, the usual boat wax pen type deal as well. I will show you the pen that it came with. It's kind of sweet. It's got a little jewel on one end and then your single placer. So I thought that was quite cute. But yeah, other than that, standard boat wax pen and everything that you would need, really. So that, alongside my event for February, this will be just something a little bit different, and yeah, something a bit of a side project. I'm actually looking forward to doing it, and certainly if this turns out nice, I will keep my eye out for more, because at 2 for £20 for something that is already stretched, ready to go, and with the little, you know, slightly kitsch element of it lighting up, I think they could be fun to do more of, and certainly it's the sort of thing that would make a lovely gift for someone that's looking to start diamond painting. So super short and sweet from me today. Obviously as we get into February, I will be busy with my own event, but I just wanted to give a shout out about this event and show you what I would be working on. So thanks for checking out my video. I do hope that you've enjoyed it. If you would like to see more, please do consider to subscribe, hit the like button, share with a friend. Why not become a member of the Crafty Coven? And until next time, stay crafty.